Hey guys, I'm Portia. Welcome to my vlog. Today I'm gonna show you how I plant Pechay seedlings. So stick around and enjoy. Pechay is one of my favorite veggies. It's very healthy and it's easy to plant too. Look! Hello, this is my Pechay after 4 days of planting it. Look how big it is right now. The seeds of the Pechay are as tiny as these. See? You want to plant some Pechay too? Let me show you. Materials: egg tray or any container, soil, water, Pechay seeds, gloves, shovel, and other garden tools. Are you ready? Let's go! Seedling preparation. To grow a Pechay seedling, we start by putting some soil in the container, about 1 inch thick. I choose an egg tray container because I want to recycle it. Any container will do, so don't worry about it. My mother helped me gather these garden soil. So if you need any help, always ask an adult to help. The next step is to drop 1 to 2 seeds in each hole. My father got these Pechay seeds from the city agriculture office. They're free! Yay! Now cover them with soil. Do not put too much soil though, just enough to cover the seeds. Then water them. It is ideal to use a garden spray, but if you don't have them just like me, you can recycle a plastic bottle. I learned this in our science class when we grew Mongol plant last year. Just poke a tiny hole in its lid, add some water, and you're good to go. Isn't it fun and easy to grow some greens? You can try them too. And when you do, let me know in the comments down below. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!